Well, it is a beautiful day, and I am here with Kevin Vaughn, and we are sitting amongst his Sempervivums, and you have got a new book out, so we want to talk about this book. Give me some information on it.
Well, William, I have been giving this class on Sempervivum for the last 6 years, and a lot of the students in the class said, well, where was this all written down, Kevin? And I realized none of it was written down.
There's a book on it, but it was some time ago.
Oh, right, back in 1972. We've learned a few things since then, and they had 300 cultivars back then. We now have 7,000. So this book details a lot of the progress that we made in them. And so when you think of Sempervivum, you normally think of that old green one that Grandma grew.
Hens and chicks.
That's right. But now they come in every color, from green, yellow, purple, red, black, all kinds of patterns, and sizes up to a foot across.
And the amazing thing to me, Kevin, is when we've interviewed you before and talked to you about this, it really is, I always thought, well, maybe these were just ones that were not found back then, but that's not the case at all. These are work.
That's right. These have all been developed by hybridizers. And so what I've been doing is making planned crosses between them rather than just collecting seed that's random. And so I can make much more progress that way and go towards goals rather than just whatever the bees decide for me.
Exactly, yeah. And then in your book, is it just about different groups of this, or is it like growing information? What's the information you can find in it?
Soup to nuts. Everything from the history of these plants, the species involved, how to make your own hybrids, which ones I think are desirable, all the people that have played roles in developing these plants, it's all there.
So Kevin, I know from doing the show how popular these plants have become, and so for the gardener, the home gardener, is that also covered in here on how to grow them?
Oh, definitely, yes. In fact, it's probably no easier plant to grow. If you follow a few basic rules, they want drainage, they want sunlight. Give them both, they'll be fine.
And that, you can't get any easier than that unless you live in a closet or a cave somewhere, right?
Exactly.
So if you love these plants as much as I do, you can go to gardentime.tv and we will click you over to the publisher and you can find out where to pick up this book for yourself. Thank you so much, my friend.
Have a good day, William.